everybody, it's Neil, and I have my scooters here, and what did I need for my scooters was a nice, what's it called, helmet. So I got myself this helmet here, so I can use my scooters. I also have bikes and things like that that I use as well. So let's see what we've got here. So this is it here. So this is the helmet. Let me show you this first. It's kind of got a matte blue. It's got the little visor here, which is what I was important to have. So it kind of keeps some of the shade off, some of the sun off my head. To open this one up, it looks like it's gonna be the little clips here. So there's that. Put it on. And let's move it up here a little bit. There we go. So this is it here. You can see I adjusted it right here on the back. So that's how you make it tighter and looser. Like right now, just make it a little bit tighter. This here strap will go under here as well. So there, so now it'll be nice padded under here as well. So now I have a nice helmet with a little visor here to keep the sun out. It also comes with here, these sunglasses. Let's see if we can open these up. Oh, okay. So in here, we've got some sweet big sunglasses here. So there, so now I can look really cool. And these are good, their sunglasses don't hit on the helmet, so that's important. Comes with, that's gonna be the little string, it looks like, for the sunglasses. Let me see, is it? Oh no, it's so small, let's see. Okay, so we can put this on the back of the sunglasses if you like these, which I usually do. So this, and then this. So then you can, I know I'm doing them all around the whole thing, but then you can like this to wear it like this when you're not having it, it'll hold it on. This here is gonna be, so it comes with all these neat little accessories here. So we've got this as well. So we have a little pouch for the sunglasses, and then we have a little cleaning cloth as well for it. And I think this goes, does it go inside of these sunglasses? Maybe if you have prescription something or something like that, I don't know. Maybe that'll work, something for that. Not sure what that is. Okay, we have here also a bag for our helmet. And then we have the recharging cord. So let's see what we've got on here. So we've got the little light right there. So that's gonna be it there. Oh, so there, we can have that light on the back, and then we'll be able to recharge that as well. So I can hold it down. So it recharges from USB to USB-C, it goes right in there. That'll just open up and charge in there. So right there, you can see it. So how cool is that? This has got everything. I didn't even remember that it had the light, so I'm excited. So this is gonna have everything I need. I'll put the light on as I go for a ride. Everyone will see me. It's nice and comfortable. My other one I had this padding here was all gone, so it was very rough on there. I kept scratching myself. So this is great. I like it. Thumbs up.